Fix your posture from hanging on the phone or computer or whatever too much. Quick stretch routine, let's go. And I'm Marion, nice to see you. Yes, let's inhale. Drop the right hand to the side and lengthen your left side. Keep both seating bones on the mat. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Inhale, both hands up, left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you, look over your shoulder. And then you place the right hand on the left knee while lifting the left arm above your head. Keep the chest open. Come back up and then place the left hand behind you. Look over your left shoulder. Bring the left hand back on your right knee. Lift the right arm and drop to the side. Keep your chest open. Release. Both hands up. Now open the elbows to some cactus arms. Bring them on shoulder level. Chest to the front, and now bring the elbows a little bit behind shoulder line. Inhale up one more time, and you might feel some tingling in your fingertips. Don't worry, that can happen, or maybe some numbness. One more time, inhale. Exhale, open to cactus arms. And then release. Interlace the hands behind you. And try to bring the palms of your hands together. Yeah, not like this, not open, but together. Lift the chest. Now take those hands and place them a little bit away from you, so you can feel an opening in the front. Look forward and breathe. Release. Come on your knees. Drop the belly down, arch your back, and then round back into the head. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to a neutral pose. Now lift your right arm high, open. And then place that right hand on your head. And this might already feel very intense, especially if you're very stuck in your shoulders, but try to open as much as you can. And then we will circle and run around with the exhale, and with the inhale, open. Round with the exhale, and with the inhale, open. Let's do this one more time. And then switch. Lift the left arm, place the hands on your head, and round and open. And release. Move forward, drop down on the floor and come into a Sphinx pose. Elbows underneath your shoulders, hands touching the floor. Open the chest to the front. Lift your elbows. Maybe you want to walk a little bit closer with your hands towards you. And then from here, push back into a child pose. Open the knees wide. And then slowly sit back up and back into a cross-legged seat. Good. Now place your right hand behind you and show you. Take the left hand so you can pull the right hand further towards the left side. Okay? And then you stay here. Breathe. Twist. And release. Change. Breathe. And then add a little twist. And release. One more time with your arms into cactus arms. Back up. Interlace the hands behind you. Open the chest. And then release. Round and roll your shoulders. Other direction. And maybe you already feel the difference in your shoulders. I hope this was helpful, and I see you next time. Namaste.